Hi guys, broke one of my favourite little tripods today. It's one I use for my action cameras. You can wrap it round things. It's only soft wire core in some foam, but it's sheared off there. I was just looking to see if there's anything I can do about it. Just get it off there first. Just sits in a little socket there. Can you see that? Yeah, there's a little post up the middle there that goes in there to stop it going too far. And clearly the bit of wire just goes straight in. Nothing to grip there. I should think it's just pushed in there and glued. Or may even just be a friction fit. I guess I could try drilling a hole in there and see if I can tap it through. I think that's what I'll do. Drill a hole in there and see if we can push it through. I don't think you'll be able to see much. I expect my arm will be in the way as well. That's certainly gone through the plastic. Now, let's just move the light. You might be able to see the silver of the end of the metal in there now. Don't know. Let's see if we can tap that through now. That's actually a broken drill bit anyway, but it's the right size. Yeah. Well, yeah. I need something to push it through all the way. There we go. So that's the little bit that was broken. So I should be able to just straighten that. It'll be a bit shorter than all the other legs. I think that'll do, as simple as that. I suppose I could put a bit of super glue in there. Probably won't do anything, but right, don't push it in too far. So we've got one leg short. Well, zoom out. No, that's in. That's out. Yeah, fixed. Yeah, it's a bit shorter, but this is the one I usually clamp onto my steering wheel when I'm doing filming in the car. Well, that's great. I didn't actually expect that I was going to be able to do that. Still handy to know what it's made of. Just a bit of bent wire. And we fixed it. Oh, I'm pleased. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.